Get ready to operate some of the most powerful machines on the job site with Alabama Community College Systems Innovation Center's Skills for Success training course in Bulldozer operation. Our comprehensive online program offers expert instruction, hands-on training, and the latest industry knowledge to help you succeed in your career. Whether you're new to the field or looking to expand your skills, our program will provide you with the tools you need to excel. Don't miss out on this opportunity to advance your career and become an in-demand operator. Enroll now and let's build your future together.